burn up our mosques and our homes and our schools, but our spirit will never die. We will not go down in Gaza tonight.
Good morning or good evening, depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening. You are welcome anytime in our channel. Volleyball con Deutschland English for comment for Italian benvenuti, come stai for French enchanté, comment ça va. So guys, today we're gonna speak about Callfluent, and it's a project from Ice Network, and it's a very cool Ice Network. It's working directly with 4 projects after ICE. We was have Dr. X. If you join it, you are welcome. If not, also you are welcome. So today is the first project. It's worked since time, called Callfluent. You will find in our description box a link to our blogger. You will find every details about Callfluent, and also another explanation about Callfluent. Right now you have to go to Google, and from Google Play you can install Callfluent, or I will let you the direct link in our blogger. So as you see right now, we start to go to Callfluent through Google Play, and we will start to install it in our device. So start right now. I can tell you some information until it finish. For Ice Network, it's a very cool company, and they are honest. They worked for them own network, and they make another application for different currency. For this time we have right now 4 applications for them. All of these applications are worked with Ice Network directly. So we will see what will happen in the future about how the distribution and how we can get our coin, and also what about KYC. Right now only how to register in this application. For now, as you see, it's installing, and will finish. You have to prepare your email right now if you like to join it, because it's need an email. So it's installing. Okay, now it's finished. It's a matter of time about open it. It's open now. We will click on open to go through the application. It's open. I'm sorry, my emulator about Android is hanging a little bit because the computer are working since 1 month ago. I'm sorry about that. And also I can say to you Happy New Year everybody, and I hope we earn this year very well. Okay, right now I will write an email for me. I use it for this application. It's to try it and test it. You must prepare your email because you will receive a code on it, and you have to use this code for login to your or sign up to your account. Okay, right now I'm finished with this and I waiting for the code. It's a few moment. I will check my email and I write the code. Just wait me. Okay, I write it right now. I do it by mistake, but it's not a problem at all. But you have to be careful from the code. When you write it by right way directly, it will turn to green. When it turns to green, that's meaning it's access and you can go inside the application and do it very easily. I'm waiting until it will be green. It's green right now. Waiting to loading. It's loading. Maybe the internet, because today it's a new year, it's a very rush. Okay, it's loading now. How much we will earn from this application, really I don't know, and I'm not have any idea, but the first project was ice. I always have a nice amount of ice and I have a nice profit, really. Loading. It takes too much, I don't know why, but it's well working. So don't be boring from the video, please keep watching until the end. It's hanging a little bit, but it's not a problem at all. Okay, as I believe it will start right now. Actually, it start. As you see here, it start with welcome, so we have to click next and the next and the next until we finish. So I will click in welcome, first welcome, next, and the second refer and earn, and next more and more. Okay, we wait, he will give us about write our nickname in application. The first one is a nickname. You have to carefully and write your nickname directly. For me, I will choose the same as email, so it's not a problem at all. I believe it's hanging a little bit, or I read it wrong, so it's not a problem at all. I will write correctly right now. It need to have number more, so it's okay. Okay, it's the second one. It's the invitation code. You must write it, and you will find in our blogger in description box. So he give us 500 as a reward. We take it and complete also. To start to go through the application, and don't forget the invitation code in our blogger. I will let it in description box. Okay, it started. You join with on us with Telegram, so I will keep joining. If you know, you will have through this 3 icon, one for earn. There are tasks you have to do it, and a second thing, it's about mining. You have to click in the middle. After you click in the middle, it will work directly. Sorry, right now I have to do the Telegram, but it's hanging a little bit, so I will go through the information by my voice. So in the middle, you have to click every 24 hours, and every 24 hours you have to check it. You can make it for 24 hour or 12 hour. It's not a problem at all. After that, you collect coins, and in the end there will be a depreciation, and you can get your coin. The most important, you invite more people to have more high ratio in the level. Give you earn more. You can earn more, but you have to be carefully. We will wait until the KYC. We will see how we can do it. Right now I don't know why Telegram is hanging. It's not a problem at all, so I can't control it, so I will continue with my voice. There are a team. You can click in team, and you will find your referral link. So it's the same your name. It's the same your name. So it's not a problem at all. If you give the other people your name, they can use it as an invitation code. That's all for now. We still have 2 videos, one for KYC and another one for distribution, and how we can get our coin and which wallet we will use. All I say right now, if you have any question, just ask us in our Telegram group, and also you are welcome anytime in our channel. For now, I can say to you benvenuti, bonsoir, or goodbye, or peace pulp until the next video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.
Will not go down in the night without a fight. You can burn up our mosques and our homes and our schools, but our spirit will never die. We will not go down in Gaza tonight.